idempotent law. Okay, second one is identify law. Third one domination law. Fourth one double negation law. Fifth one communicative law. Sixth one associative law. Seventh one distributive law. Eighth one De Morgan's law. It's okay, na? Ninth one absorption law. 10th one negation law. So first one, law 1, idempotent law. P or P equivalents to P, P and P equivalents to P. So we have to solve this. So P true false, same P true false. So P or P, we are doing P or P, or operation we are doing. Okay, we are doing or operation. Or operation means when true false means false, remaining all true. Okay, here false means false, remaining all true. Next, P and P equivalents to P. So P and P equivalents to P means P true false, P true false. When for AND operation, what are the conditions? When P is true and under something is true, equals to true, remaining all false. So true is true, remaining all are false. Okay, next, second law. So second law is identity law. P and T equivalents to P, P or F equivalents to P means what is T? T means true, F means false. Doing that first condition, P and T equivalents to P, P as true false, T means true, because T means what is T? T means true, F means false. So we are taking both as true. So P and T operation. When T AND operation, true when P is true and something is true, then it is true, remaining all are false. True means true, remaining all are false. So next, second one we are doing condition 2. So P or F equivalents to P, P is true false, F means false. So we are doing here OR operation, means OR operation when P is false and something is false, then it will be false, remaining all are true. False true, remaining all are true. Next, third law is domination law. Domination law is again two properties, P and T, P or T equivalents to T, and P and false equivalents to false. Okay, so first condition, okay, P or T equivalents to T, P true false, T true. So it should be equivalent to truth value. Okay, na? It should come true. So true means true in OR operation. True means true, false true also true. In OR operation, what is the condition? When P is false and something is false, then only it will be false, remaining all are true only. Okay, next condition, P and F equivalents to F, it should come F only. P true false, F false. So what is the AND condition? When P is true and something is true, then only true, remaining all are false. Okay, next, double negation law. Double negation law has one property, negation into negation, P equivalents to P. So here we are taking double negation. Okay, P, what is P? True false, negation P means reverse of P. True means false, false means true. So we are doing double negation. Negation into negation of P means this is negation of P, right? Already we did negation of P here. Means negation of P is F true. So again we have to do reverse of this, means true false. This is double negation P. So communicative law. Communicative law is again two properties, P or Q equivalents to Q or P. So P and Q equivalents to Q or P. So first one we are doing, see here, P true false, Q true false. Okay, so P and Q, AND operation we are using here, AND operation. AND operation means true means true, remaining all are false. So OR operation, Q and P, true false. So both are equivalent, true, false, both are equivalent, so it satisfies the condition. So next this one, OR operation, same, P true, false, Q false, false. So P and P or Q means OR operation, false means false, remaining all are true. So false means false, remaining all are true. Next, for these Q or P operations, for Q or P operation, P true, false, Q true, false. For OR operation, we are considering that false means false, remaining all are true. False is false, remaining all are true. So it's also satisfies the condition, true, false, true, false. So P or Q equivalence to Q or P. Okay. Next, associative law. Associative laws again two properties. Associative laws again two properties. This first one, P or Q or R equivalence to P or into Q or R. Second one, P and Q and R equivalence to P and Q and R. Okay, we have to solve this also. So this one, yeah, they are giving in question, they are giving P Q R. So we are taking first P Q R. First true, false, first for true in P, first for true, second for false. So in Q, true, false, true, false. In R, true, false, false. Okay, means either that or this. So first they are asking to find P or Q. So how to find P or Q? By using this P and Q values. So what is the condition of R condition? When P is false and Q is false, then only false, remaining all are true. Check once, true means no, it's not satisfying the condition. It's not satisfying the condition. Say it's satisfying the conditions. What are R condition? When P is false and Q is false, then only false. Remaining it is also false, remaining all are true. Okay, next what they are asking, we have to do this P or Q into R of R. So we got this one, P or Q. So we have to do these two operations for getting P or Q or R. So this into this into this, not this into this. Okay na? ఇది చేయకూడదు. ఫస్ట్ ఏం అడిగిండు, పి ఆర్ క్యూ అడిగినప్పటి పి ఆర్ క్యూ ఇంటూ ఆర్. ఓకే, ఆర్ కండిషన్ అగైన్ సేమ్. వెన్ something P is false or something is false means false, remaining all are true. So false means false, remaining all are trues. Okay na? First this one completed, this one completed. We have to find this one. So to find this one, we should know Q or R value. So how to know Q or R value? We should do the condition for P and R, P or R condition. Okay na? We have to check R condition, false means false, remaining all are true. No false, no false. Here false means false. Okay, false means false. False means false, remaining all are true. Okay, this condition also over. So we should do now this total. Okay na? So what is this? PR into Q or R. So we got this condition P or R, this one. We should do this one. So P into means P or Q or R. So we have to check R condition. R condition, what is R condition? False means false, remaining all are true. So we are checking true. When false is false, then only it will be false, remaining all are true. Okay, true means true. True means true. Again true, false, true only, because condition is false means false, remaining all are true. Again false, true, false, true, false, true, false, false. Okay, we solved this first one. Next, second one, and by using AND operation, P and Q and R equivalence to P and Q and R. So here we should check this one. Okay, first P Q R, true 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 true, false 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 false, same, true true false false, true true false false. So R operation, true false true false true false true false. Okay, we are doing AND operation first, P and Q. AND operation, true true means true, remaining all are false, true true means true, true true means true, remaining all are false. Okay, they are not satisfying the condition of AND operation, so remaining all are false only when it is comes to true true means true. Okay, next we are doing this one completed, P and Q completed. So we have to do this, P and Q into and or and or. So this one into this one we should do. So we should check like this. So if ఫస్ట్ ఏదైతే అడుగుతున్నారో మనం దాన్ని ఫస్ట్ చెక్ చేయాలి. సో ఇయర్ ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు, పీ అండ్ క్యూని అడుగుతున్నారు ఫస్ట్, తర్వాత ఆర్ని అడుగుతున్నారు. అట్లా కాదు, మనకి ఇట్లా లైన్ ఉంది కదా అని చెప్పేసి ఇట్లా చెక్ చేసుకోవద్దు, అంటే ఆర్ నుంచి చెక్ చేసుకోవద్దు, ఫస్ట్ క్యూ ఇదాన్నే చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి, దీని నుంచే చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎట్లా, ఇప్పుడు ట్రూ అండ్ కండిషన్ ఏంది, వెన్ P is true and Q is true, that is equals to true. సో మనం ఇట్లా చెక్ చేసుకుంటే రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది, ఆర్ నుంచి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఫస్ట్ దీని నుంచి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ట్రూ ట్రూ మీన్స్ ట్రూ, ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ మీన్స్ ఫాల్స్, ఫాల్స్ ట్రూ మీన్స్ ఫాల్స్, false false means false, false true means false, false false means false, false true means false, false false means false. Only true when it is true true means true. Okay, this first condition completed. Next, equivalence to P and Q and R. We should do first Q and R operation. Q and R operation we should do. Q and R operation means when something both are true, then only true. True true means true, remaining all are false. See, true true means true, true false means false, false true means false, false false means false, true true true, true false false, false true false, false false false. Okay, next we have to do the whole condition. We got this Q and R, so we should do P and Q and R. So we have to do this condition. Okay, so Q and R, P into Q and R means true true means true when AND operation. What is AND operation? When both are true, then only true, remaining all are false. True false false, true false false, true false false, false true true false, false false false, false false false, false false false. Okay, completed. Associative law proved. Okay, again distributive law also has two properties. See here for distributive properties. Okay, in De Morgan's law also has two properties, negation P and Q equivalence to negation P or negation Q. Next, second one, negation into P and Q, P or Q equivalence to negation P and negation Q. Okay, negation means reverse. Again, absorption law also has two properties, P and Q into or P. Finally, negation law also has two properties. Okay.